I'm going to show you how to assemble your side rails, which takes a lot of components. If you can find a flat area, a surface where you can put them and assemble it, that's ideal. As you can see, we got the swivels right here. You'll have them on your shipping list. And then you put 3 clamps right here for your chain link fence. This is for the tension bar, and 3 clamps over there for the chain link fence. And then you put 3 clamps if you have a 10 row. You put 1 clamp if you have a 5 row. For a 10 row, you put 3 clamps because you have 3 guard posts, and each clamp is bolted into the guard post. So I'm going to go ahead and put a tech screw, and I'll show you once we're done with all the tech screws. As you can see, we put in 2 tech screws on each side of the swivel. We put 1 right now, and we're going to flip it to put 2 additional tech screws on the swivels. Okay, now it's all done. You can turn this around and put the 2 swivels on each corner. Go ahead, and put the, and then you tighten them up a little bit. Go ahead, put the rest of the swivels. Tighten up a little bit. You're going to do some adjustments once you put it in place. Finishing assembling your side rails, as you can see, they go on an angle. Why they go on an angle? Because the bleachers are in an angle, the side rails. So this goes in any position you want. And this is the position that you wanted for these side rails. Once you assemble your side rails, you might need 2 guys to hold it, and then 1 additional person to put the clamps into position. As you can see, we got the other 3 clamps. They go on the other guard post, and the other go on the 3rd guard post. So this go on the 1st guard post. Hold it. Go ahead and put the bolt. Hold it yourself. Okay, and then this one is adjustable. As you can see, it will automatically lift it up, Jose, arriba. It will get this angle more or less. This should be plumb. There it is, plumb right there. You see it once you get to the back of the connection with the back rail. That's where you start putting the pipe. So this is how we put it right here. This is how we put the bolt. Okay, and then you do the same thing. You do the same thing with the bottom. Like I said, you need at least 3 people to help you to put this. That goes through. You do the same with this one right here. Once you put the top, you put this one here. This is plumb, and this is it's already pre-cut, so this will be right next to the rails in the back rails. So, and then you will end up something looking like this. And then you got your 3 clamps, pipe clamps for the chain link fence. As you can see, it is in an angle, and the chain link fence should be cut in an angle. This is for the side rail installation, post chain link fence system.